Hey guys, I am back with another video. I think it's been a week already. I feel like it's so easy to lose track of time and like not post a video to stay on a consistent schedule. I am trying. Well, I think I'm starting to create a pattern of saying like, oh, this video isn't going to be too long, and I honestly don't know how long this video is going to be. I want to strive for longer videos, but it just never happens like that. After I cut my clips, it's like 7 minutes tops. But today is another unboxing video of some purses that I purchased. I mean, they aren't purses from Louis Vuitton. Those are really expensive, but they're cute. I purchased from Kate Spade multiple times. I actually got three items from the outlet that I was supposed to do a video on, and I haven't done that, and I haven't even worn some of those bags and wallets. But I saw a sale advertisement on Facebook because, you know, they stalk us. And so I'm like, oh, let me go check out what they have. So I found 2 bags and, you know, came in a regular box. In the box, I mean, there's nothing special about it. It's just purses are packaged in there. They have a card, you know, thank you for shopping with us. Cute and all that, with their contact number and stuff like that, that information. So I guess I'll start with the bigger bag that I got first, and if I find my receipt down here, I can tell you how much I paid for it. So this bag that I'm opening is called the Somali Falling Flower Pop in the size large. I thought it was cute and summerish, and I also got it because it came with a wallet. Cute little tote bag, a big tote bag actually. Gonna take apart the straps. Probably too rough. Yeah, and it has a cute wallet that goes with it. Here's the bag to put the purse in. Little duster bag. Also paper. I did that to show you the inside of the purse. The inside is the same print as the wallet. Really cute and summer vibes. So, of course, the tag says $228, but I paid $96 with the sale and 40% off. I mean, if there is a such thing as a sale, I only spent $96. Really cute. Has a Kate Spade symbol on there instead of the wording. This has the name on there. So I got this color because I wanted to do something different. Like, I'm always getting purses that are like black, brown, or burgundy, you know, like dark colors, earth tones, whatever. And I'm tired of constantly buying black purses. I need to switch it up. And I mean, this is so cute for the summertime. I really don't know what I will wear this with, but I mean, a purse does not have to match everything you wear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this in its bag and put this to the side. The second bag I got is called the Patterson Drive Maisie. It's so small. It's not the color I thought it was gonna be. Maybe I was like looking at it wrong, but it's still so cute. It's a small purse. I wanted something small because I only ever buy totes. So this, you have to snap it at the bottom to open it. Get all that stuff out. And it has the shoulder straps on there if you want to wear it as a shoulder bag. Oh my gosh. I don't think this is a good shot, but we're here now. So I definitely wanted a bag that had a little chain look on the side. And you adjust the strap. I'm gonna take that part off. So cute. Space for, you know, little items when you don't want to carry a big tote bag. I always see people with small purses. I have a few small purses that are like shoulder bags, and they always take on that little rectangle form, and I got tired of that style, so this is a little different. I mean, it's kind of rectangular, but it has a little strap that I can carry it by, and I don't have to just rely on this. I could take that off if I want to. So I would say these are pretty cool buys. I went to the sales section and I got literally the purse that I really wanted, because you know, you'll literally splurge out just because something's on sale when you don't really need it or don't really care for it. So I had like 4 bags in my cart, but I limited down to Brie, just get 2. Just get 2, all you need. And mind you, like I said earlier, I have 2 bags from the outlet store and online again that I have not worn. Shopping problem. So all together for both the bags, I spent $215. It was $199. Shipping and handling was free, and taxes were $16.14. Oh, and the one thing about buying sale, it's final sale, so there's no returning it if you, for whatever reason, don't like it. So, excuse me, you gotta make sure you like your bag before you click pay, okay? Yo, this video is way shorter than I thought it would be. I guess I'm not talking enough, so I guess I will also show the purses I got from the outlet store, because why not put it in there instead of having these 2 tiny bit videos? I feel like, oh, don't show those aren't brand new, but they weren't worn either. This bag I got offline. It's called the Cameron Street Marabeth, and I've had this for an entire year. It's in its dust bag. I got this on sale offline. It was really cute, black. Oops, I put a little dent in it. And it also came with a laptop case, which I love because my MacBook laptop fits in here perfectly. And inside, so yep, this is so cute. Like I said, I'm always buying black purses, so that's why when I purchased a couple of days ago, I was ready to do something different. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this one back, and I'll title the name of this one below if it's still available, but I got this one last year. I have a problem. And this purchase was October 2019. I took a trip to Branson and there was an outlet store there, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. The only thing that I've been carrying outside of this purse, this purchase has been this. This is what I say. Anytime I get a little shoulder purse, it's always rectangular. I have worn this one to death. I think like the moment I bought this one, I have just been wearing this one. So we're not gonna get into that. It's cute. I'll see if I have the tag to that one still in this bag. And then I had also got a wallet. I don't know why I got the wallet to match that small purse, because this is just as big as that. Haven't used this yet. And what is this called? The name of this wallet isn't on there. Oh, it is. Large Continental Wallet, Jackson. I just love this like burgundy color. And then lastly, the thing that made me go crazy in the store was this purse. Another black purse. But it was so nice. Has the strap for the shoulder strap once you take that out. This one is called the large satchel Cameron. in black, of course. It's a zipper. Open it up. Has all the paper. Has 2 compartments right there. A big pocket on the side across from it. I don't want to take all the paper out there. I don't want this to lose its shape. But yes. And the tag on this says $3.89, but of course at the outlet I didn't pay $3.89. Let me find it. I still got the receipt. So this purchase was on October 19th of 2019. The large Continental wallet was 35 bucks. The triple cassette crossbody was $56.92. And the large satchel was only $79. That's why I got so much. I've been trying to get my fiance to go back to Branson so we could go back there because it's nice. So basically you could say I have a mini Kate Spade collection. Yeah, I got a little collection now. So I want to say thank you for looking at my little Kate Spade collection, because that's what it is. And I can provide the links to any of the bags that I have that they still have on their website. I'll attach those below. I always tell you guys to leave me some type of comment below, engage, interact with me. You guys leave me hanging. But I mean, if you guys like Kate Spade or Coach, or if you're the higher up brands, you know, Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, you know, comment how many bags you got when you started working on your purse collection. I'm not trying to work on a purse collection, but I have hella purses and it's like, okay. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, let me know.